welcome to my channel, Tech and Wheels with Pat, Tips and Tricks 19, and we will talk about humidity in the car. So there is a few ways to get rid of humidity. I got this idea because I read a lot of posts where people complain about humidity in the car, and we have some pre-warming things you can put. If you can see on in the car, I have here a stand where you have some pre-warming. I can install a pre-warming that warms up the car before I drive. But the problem is it just warms up the inside of the car, get rid of the humidity on the windshield, but the air in the car is still humid. It still has a lot of humidity. So once you park the car, you get the humidity back. So for that reason, I have here in Drøbak, there is a lot of people using boats, and in the winter they use silicate gel to just keep the boat dry. So I have a pouch, if you see in front of the windshield, I have a pouch with silicate gel, and to make it work, you usually put it in the car when it's warm. It keeps the silicate warm, and it works perfectly at usually a temperature above 20 degrees. Then it starts working, and it reduces. If you have, for example, 70% of humidity in the car, it will get it down 35%, which means that there will be a less risk of having humidity on the windshield in the morning when you start the car. And even though I had, when I started, I put it without warming the car. There was a little bit of humidity, but around the pouch, it was quite dry. So it does quite a nice job. I will continue to monitor 1 week with that pouch in the car to see the difference. But and that pouch you can find it nearly everywhere. It's called the car dehumidifier. So you found it on Amazon and other company. But for me, it's the best thing. I mean, I tried both with the heating elements and with the pouch, and the pouch is the thing that works definitely the best for my part. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you dislike, just put a creative comment that I can reply to. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next episode. And hope you be safe and stay home if you have to. Bye-bye.